Hey guys, Richard here, e-bike reviews and adventures. Well, you're not going to believe what I did to the Magicycle deer. Yep. Hello, neighbor. Yeah. Pretty sick about it. You know how much I love the Magicycle deer. Well, I like it a lot. It's like my favorite company right now. Just excellent bike. Well, let me show you. Is that sick or what? Look at that. My favorite seat, my favorite saddle, Blue Wind. Didn't realize it before, but they can't have a model with a backrest. Yeah, they do. Check that out. So now let's get a profile over here. Look at this. I should have moved it so it's away from the truck so you can see it better. Is that sick or what? Yeah, so I'm liking it. A couple things about this saddle though. A couple of things to know about. One, it's the original Blue Wind saddle, so we still have all that comfort and enjoyment. This back here, the backrest is kind of nice because it provides just a little bit of support and helps you to, just be a little bit more comfortable. I mean, you can relax on it, you can sit back on it a little bit, and so that part is kind of cool. I know there's going to be a question about, can this move back and forth? Is it adjustable? Yeah, about a ½ inch or so. I mean, it's dumb. They really missed an opportunity there because they could have made it so it was adjustable more, and that would have been better. But you have like a ½ inch or so of adjustment on the bottom, and that's it. So really, really minor. So here's something to be aware of. So if you're a little large, okay, if you're a large person, or if you have a donut in the middle like I do, when you're sitting on the bike, you tend to be up against the backrest here. So you sit a little more forward on the saddle than what I normally do, because normally my rear end hangs over the edge here just a little bit of the saddle. But now it doesn't do that because of this right here. So I sit forward just a little bit, and at first it was like, oh, this isn't going to work. But what I did is I took the saddle and I tilted it, so it now it leans backwards just a little bit. So now it doesn't feel like I'm sliding off the front here. I'm actually sitting on the saddle, and it's quite comfortable. So with that, I think it's going to be a keeper. Initially, I thought, oh no, this isn't going to work. But yeah, it is working out. So I haven't ridden a whole lot with that saddle, but I will, and I'll continue to use it and see how I like it, and I'll let you know. But for right now, I like it a lot. And yeah, it kind of adds something to the bike, right? I mean, this bike is starting to get just a little bit ridiculous looking. I got the rack on the front and the bag up here on the handlebars, which is real handy. But then I added the saddle bags, and then on top of the saddle bags, I strapped on this basket with a cooler bag inside so I can keep cold stuff cold. And so I mean, I did quite a few modifications, and now the suspension seat post and the saddle with the backrest. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So Magicycle actually reached out to me a couple days ago and said, hey, Richard, you've been making a lot of videos about the Magicycle deer, and we're wondering, if we can work something out about you making some, like 20 or 10 to 20 second video clips for some future marketing and all that. And I said, well, yeah, maybe. But have you seen the Magicycle deer recently? It doesn't even look like a deer. So I don't know that they're going to want me to make those video clips. I'm waiting to hear back from them, but we'll see. I mean, it doesn't exactly look like the deer anymore. But yeah, so anyway, just wanted to share that with you and let you know about that saddle right there in case it's something you're interested in. You can see right here, what is it, about 1.5 inches or something from the back of the seat. There's how much that sticks out, and so you don't get much more than that. If you're a smaller person or a skinnier person, oh yeah, get it right now because you're gonna love it. Another thing I was a little concerned about with this sticking out is, is it going to interfere back here with the basket? So it does stick out. Okay, sticks out over the basket a little bit, but this cooler bag is kind of short, and even though it does stand up if I put a bunch of stuff in it, it just barely touches right there. So even that works out quite well too. All right, so that's gonna be it for this quick little video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, drop them down below, and I will see you guys in another video real soon.